I have scheduled a meeting at 10 a.m. and I have to take a very crucial decision in this meeting. There are 3 members with me, but I am not starting the meeting. What can be the reason? The reason is simple. There are minimum number of members required to conduct the meeting and take a valid decision. This minimum number of members is referred to as quorum. Hello everyone, my name is Saumya. I welcome you all to Kalam Academy. In continuation to our Polity series, in this video, we will look at the concept of quorum. As we have seen, quorum is the minimum number of members required to be present in the house before it can transact any business. Minimum number of members required to be present in the house before it can transact any business. This means before it can conduct any meeting and take a valid decision, there are minimum number of members required to be present, which we refer to as quorum. Now, in the context of Parliament, it is mentioned in Article 100, Clause 3 that until Parliament by law otherwise provides, the quorum to constitute a meeting shall be 1/10 of the total number of members of the House. Now, the total number of members of the House in Lok Sabha, the total strength is 552 and 1/10 of this is 55. So, the quorum in Lok Sabha is 55. This means that the minimum number of members required in the Lok Sabha to conduct its meeting is 55. Okay. The same way, the total strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. The 1/10 of this will be 25. So, the quorum in Rajya Sabha is 25. The minimum number of members in Rajya Sabha required to conduct its meeting will be 25. This is the meaning of quorum. Now we look at state legislature. Now, for this, it is mentioned in Article 189, Clause 3. Until the legislature of the state by law otherwise provides, the quorum to constitute a meeting of the House of the Legislature of State shall be 10 members or 1/10 of the total number of members of the House, whichever is greater. Now, this is different from Parliament. Here, it can be 1/10 of the total number of members of the House or 10, depending on whichever is greater. Now, we understand this with an example. In UP, we have total strength as 403. So, 1/10 of this will be 40, right? And on the other hand, we have 10. Which one is greater? 40, right? So, the quorum in UP will be 40. Same way, in Goa, we have 40 members. Now, the 1/10 of 40 is 4. And on the other hand, we have 10 members. We have to choose which one is greater. 10. So, quorum in Goa will be 10 and not 4. Now, what happens in the absence of quorum? In the absence of quorum, it is the duty of the presiding officer to either adjourn the house or suspend the meeting until the quorum is met. If the quorum is not there, the meeting cannot be conducted. Now, this was about quorum. I hope you got some clarity on the concept of quorum. I will see you in the next video with another concept. Thank you.